Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I did stop by Dollar Tree the other day. I was in town to pick up some paint and there happened to be a Dollar Tree there, and so I went inside to see if I could find any fall things. And here at my dollar stores, at least the few that I have visited, we still have not received many fall items. We have the floral and some of the wooden DIY plaques that you can make for, and they're pretty specifically for Halloween. But other than that, I haven't seen anything else. But I did need some wrapping paper for a baby gift that I will be wrapping, and that was the main reason that I went in there, and again also to see if any fall has arrived. So I just have a quick Dollar Tree to go through. I will go through the items one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. So first off, aside from looking for fall items, I picked up some wrapping paper, tissue paper, and some bows for a gift that I will be wrapping up. So I picked up this pack of tissue paper. You get 8 sheets. I thought this was pretty cute. It is for a boy, so I thought this was really nice how they had both a print as well as the solid blue. I picked up this wrapping paper, which has like a tan background, sandy background, and it says baby boy, sweet, snug, love, giggle, play, baby boy, and then just has different, it looks to be, I thought it was a beach theme because of the nautical stripes here, but just little boy outfit, socks, ball, rattle, but I thought it was really cute. And then I picked up this 2-pack of bows. I really like these ones here. I just like also the feel of them, that they are not like a paper or they seem to be more of like a vinyl. So I thought that was really cute, and so I picked up that as well. I picked up another of the 2021-2022 student planner for my daughter for school. And I really like these because number one, they're cheap. Number two, they have everything that she needs. I like that it has the full year, actually both years on the one page. And then it gives you the month. But then it also goes into the month again, but it gives you a bigger space so that if you need to write in homework or anything you need to remember to ask the teacher or stuff like that, you have enough space to write in that area. So I think these planners are great, and I decided to pick her up another one. She already had one, but then I just picked up another one in case she wants to add different things into this one. I came across these socks, and the tag says Fun Feet. It is a Canadian company, and I really think these are great socks. Great quality. I have tried them already, and they are nice. They're not thin at all. I like how they fit around the ankle, and they do come in different colors. So this pack here had a peach and yellow, and you do get 3 pairs of socks for $1.25. So I thought that was a great deal for the quality that these are. And then I picked up this other pack where it has a baby blue and purple, and then in the middle you just get a plain pair with no stripes. So I was really pleasantly pleased with these socks. I wish they had a pair that was white and then possibly with the stripes or even without, but maybe they will bring something like that to Dollar Tree. But these ones here I really like and recommend if you see them. And then I came across these Shopkins girls' panties. Now these ones here were not the size for my daughter, but I know someone that I can give these to, and for $1.25 this is a fantastic deal to pick up 6 girl panties for, again, $1.25. So the sizes that they come in are 4, 6, and 8, but at Dollar Tree they only had the size 4. But to have the Shopkins print, I think this was a fantastic deal. I really love that Dollar Tree has come out with these signs. They are the chalkboard signs, and you just have, if you want to hang them, it has the jute twine that goes through the holes on the front of the chalkboard so that you can hang this up or hold it in your hand from the jute twine. So I did see 2 that I really liked. The first one here is first day of, and then so this one here I picked it up for my daughter. It's great because you can use it for more than 1 year. You just change the information with the chalk, and I thought that was great. So I'll be glad to use this. I wish I would have had it earlier on when my daughter was in the younger grades. I always just printed off a little sign, put it in a frame, and then took a picture of her with it. But this I think is really, really cute. The other one that I picked up says, "Hello, my name is," and then I was born. It has weight, the time, AM, PM, length, and can't wait to meet you. So this one here, I picked it up for when I take pictures of dolls that I complete for reborning. I thought this would be really cute to put it in behind the baby when I take my pictures, so that when someone purchases the baby, I can fill this out in the background, take a picture, and send it along with the baby. So I thought this was a really great deal for $1.25, something that I can use over and over. I did pick up some home decor pieces. These ones here I have not seen before, but I think they are beautiful. And then these ones here I had picked up before, but I saw them again, so I picked them up. Again, just a couple that I liked. This one here says, "Keep that same energy." So it is a framed wall decor that has the wooden beads at the top. And then the second one that I picked up says, "Happily Ever After." So these wall decors, it has the hanging hardware in the back, and then it has the little knob so that you can hang things from it. So I really like the shape of the leaf, and I like how they have the white on the top with the gold on the bottom. And if you wanted to change the color, definitely you could just tape this off and then spray paint it or paint it another color if you don't like the gold. So they also had the faux wood and then the gold on the bottom as well. So I thought these were really, really nice. And to finish off the Dollar Tree haul, I picked up some of these decor pieces, and I really, really love these. I'm glad that the Dollar Trees here in Canada now have been bringing this type of decor, and especially when it is the Farmhouse decor pieces such as these. So these are like the box particle board decor that you can hang up or place on a table. There's really a lot of ways that you can decorate these. So the first one here I picked up says "Bless This Kitchen," and it has the black and white pattern on it that I absolutely love. So I was happy to get this one. The next two are more for the bathroom. This one I thought was really pretty, and it says "Bath Rules. Start with hot water, soak, relax, unwind, enjoy the quiet time, bubble your troubles away." So really cute, and I will be putting this in my bathroom beside my tub. This one here, really cute as well, says "Flush the toilet, wash your hands, brush your teeth, hang your towel. And I will add this to my other bathroom. This one says Mom's Kitchen, Hot Fresh, Faith, Family, Friends, Food. And it has the fork and spoon. Love this one as well in the white and black. And then the last one that I picked up says Welcome to the Homestead, Fresh from the Farm, open 7 days. And that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was a short one, but I added quite a few pictures at the beginning just to show you what I did see at Dollar Tree and didn't bring home. Well guys, that will do it. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you take care of yourself, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.